In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Squarespace. If you want to make certain words or sections stand out on your site, Squarespace gives you a simple built-in text highlight option that you can apply in just a few clicks. This is useful for drawing attention to key phrases, calls to action, or important messaging without changing the entire style of your text. To begin, go to the text box that contains the content you want to edit and click directly into it. This opens the text editor so you can work with the text formatting options available in Squarespace. Make sure you're inside the correct text block before moving on, especially if your page has multiple text areas. Once the text box is active, highlight all the text you want to apply the effect to. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the text, or by selecting the full section in whatever way is easiest for you. Take a moment here to confirm that only the intended text is selected, because the formatting will be applied to everything that's highlighted. With the text selected, click the text highlight option in the editor toolbar. This is the setting that adds the highlight style to your selected text. As soon as you choose it, Squarespace will give you additional controls so you can customize how that highlight appears. This is where the styling becomes more visual, and it helps you match the effect to the overall design of your website. Next, select a color for the text highlight. Choose the option that best fits your branding or the look of your page. A softer color can feel subtle and polished, while a brighter color can make the text stand out more strongly. If you're using highlight for emphasis, it's usually a good idea to pick a color that remains easy to read and doesn't overpower the text itself. After that, adjust the thickness of the highlight. This changes how bold or subtle the highlighted effect appears behind or around the text, depending on the style Squarespace is using. A thinner setting can look cleaner and more understated, while a thicker setting can create a stronger visual emphasis. Try to keep it balanced so the text still feels professional and easy to read. And that's it. Once you've clicked into the text box, selected your text, applied the text highlight, chosen a color, and adjusted the thickness, your highlighted text is ready. This is a quick way to add emphasis and improve visual hierarchy on your Squarespace site.